I'm going to show you how you can confirm that your Git installation works. I'm opening Intelliej. We want this button over here, which says get from VCS. VCS stands for Version Control System, and Git is a standard modern version control system. So we'll click that button. Now it needs a URL. You can paste or type the URL that's already in the document there. So it's github.com, ddobrovich, graphics, hello world, and then click clone. And if everything goes well, it will clone. If you don't have Git installed, it will probably tell you that you don't have Git installed in a prior step. It might even let you click a download button that will automatically download and configure it if you're lucky. If you're not lucky, it won't work, and you should come in and get some help. So once it's cloned, it should look like this. There's a README here, which is just a sentence that I typed telling you what this thing is. Let's make sure that everything worked properly. You can open main, and mine seems all ready to go. Let's run it and confirm. Yours might not, and if yours doesn't, then I can tell you a couple things you can do to fix it. Okay, so mine seems to be working. It popped open a message that said hi, and now it's got this little circle. Okay, so what happens if yours isn't working? You'd want to go to File, Project Structure, and you want to confirm that you are using an SDK. SDK stands for Software Developer Kit. We're going to be using a JDK, which is the Java Developer Kit. I'm using a really old one, a version 8 Software Developer Kit. You can use whatever one you want. The only thing to know is that the language level has to match the level of your JDK. So if you're using JDK 1.8, the language level needs to be set to 8. If you're using 20, then the language level would need to be set to 20 or less. So here, I'm going to go back to 8. You need to have a folder specified for your compiler output. If you don't have one, you can click the button here, and you'd click the third icon over, which says Project Directory. Directory is just another name for folder. And if you don't have an out folder, you can right-click and you can create a new directory. But if you do have an out folder, just say OK, and then click OK again. The last thing you might need to change is right-click on lib over here where it says lib. That stands for libraries. And go all the way down to add as library if it's not added already. And that will just make sure that core.jar is included in the right way. Okay, I hope that it's worked. If it didn't work, please email me and let me know, and I'll try and help you.